Welcome, welcome. How is everybody? Yo, 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 who's here? Drop a comment who's here, everyone. Let me just get some music on. There we go. Yo, yo, yo. Bum, bum, bum. Right, let's see what gold's gonna give us today. Have I got my phone on? Yeah, all good. Back for another US session. Hey, y'all, how's it going, bro? Paul, welcome, mate. Oh, 15's looking interesting here. So, I haven't looked at, guys, I haven't looked at the market since I updated the community on this range. So, let me just delete this. I'll update in the next 2 minutes once we close. We're about to close in 2 minutes on this 15-minute candle. So, once we've closed, I will update, okay? This 15's looking really interesting. We haven't got any news today. So whatever happens is all price action. Yeah, the only news we've got is NZD, but that's passed. Yeah. Tomorrow is USD unemployment claims. So we'll see. But for me, if we get back above this level here, I'm going to start looking to long gold. We've had the pullback that we've wanted to see. If we get back above here, I'm going to be looking for them longs. Just going to update community really quickly because this could happen soon. Yeah, 15 flip is on, to be fair, mate. Yeah, it is. So yeah, I've just updated the community really quickly. Buys back above this level for me. If we get back above this level, you're very likely to come and run into, you've got clearance into 2763. You look at the H4. The H4's bullish. Every time frame's bullish. The only way I'd start looking for sells is if we closed below here right now. But it's bullish. The chance of us closing back below here now is quite low. So yeah, this is the range I'm playing now on gold. Buys back above 27.58. Sells below 27.52. So 27.58 for buys. One sec, guys. Let me just sort this out. Right, nice. But yeah, this is looking nice. We've taken some liquidity. Buys back above here. Another thing, the daily too. Daily's coming into a big level. You know, look to the left here. Could we reject this level here for the day? Possibly. Let's see. Let's see. But let's get back above here. I was just roasting. Who's here, guys? Let's see who's here. We got 11. 11 have joined. Drop a like as well. If you haven't already, drop a like. I don't know why the YouTube link's not doing what I want it to do. Let me have a look. And we've hit 500 subs, guys. Appreciate it. Really do. Thank you, everyone who has subscribed. Yeah, guys, drop a like and drop a comment. Smash that like button. Let's get to 15 again. Let's smash 15. Let me just pause this again, see if it's actually doing it. I don't like how it isn't. It's not creating a link, which is annoying. I really don't know why. Let me go off internet. Maybe now. Something's happening with Telegram. When I put it on, it normally puts a link up. Anyway, delete that. We're back. Oh, just about. Yeah, congrats on the subs, mate. Nice one. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Everybody who's tuning in, everyone who's subscribed, likes, comments. I appreciate it. We've hit above 500. Above 500. But yeah, this is the range I'm using. Buys back above 27.58 for me. This next 15 can get above there. Perfect. Say this next 15 closes like so. You're going to drive on this candle. At least this candle. Into there. And you've got like the range into there. You've got like 60 ticks. So But let's see what this session brings today. Yeah, it is strange, to be fair. This Telegram thing. Normally it's all good. Anyway, let's not think about that. Let's have a look at the community really quickly. This is the price action that you want as well. Look at what happened here. You know, you pulled back, you created a range. Now what you're doing, you're pulling back, you're creating a range. This is all you needed to wait for, and we're getting that now. So perfect. But yeah, guys, drop a like. Let's get to 10. Let's smash 10 quickly. We smashed 10 in like 20 minutes on stream yesterday. But yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Everybody tuning in, appreciate it. I'll switch the... Yeah, I'm switching. I'll be looking for longs if we get back above this level. Dun, 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 dun. But let's... What's Goldie going to give us today anyway? Smashing the lights now. This one. It's looking clean. Back above here is very clean for me. You can see why it is clean. You know, you've got resistance, acting as support, acting as resistance, clearance above there. You've got easy buys into 2673. Well, 2763. Not easy buys, but for me, I'll be taking buys. And yeah, I won't be looking for sells really. I'd want volume. I'd want some volume to close below this level. Right now it's bullish. Gold's bullish. There's no need to be really looking for sells. However, if you see a candle like so, if we get a bearish candle like so, let me put it in red so people can see what I'm talking about. If we get a bearish candle like so, then I will definitely be reacting to them sells down into these lows. You got 40 ticks there. I'm not gonna say no to 40 ticks. Vinny, how's it going, bro? Welcome. Yeah, guys, let's see who's here. Vinny, Wes, Paul, Yol. Welcome. But yeah, this is the range I'm using. Clear range on gold. Even that could be brought just to be a little safer. Bring that level down a little bit more. Definitely. But yeah, welcome back, everybody. I wanted to quickfire this analysis because I thought we was going to close above. We haven't closed above yet, but this is the analysis. Buys back above here, 27.58, sells below 27.50 area, and clear liquidity above and below. So let me just update the community really quickly on that. Nice. But yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Currently time to what time is it here? It's currently 10 to 8 here. 10 to 8. But yeah, stay patient. We're getting the pullback again. That entry this morning from here, you know, I didn't catch it, but that entry was clean. Anybody who did catch it, look, as soon as it closed above the level, bang, 100 ticks. I know a few in the community caught some wins on the longs there. I'm gonna delete that. Keep it cleaner. Zoom in on this. Let's dial in here, guys. Dial in. Could be getting some entries. Congrats on 500 subscribers. Nice one, Vinny. Yeah, guys. Thank you. We've hit 500 subscribers. I appreciate everybody who tunes in every day, comments, subscribes, supports the channel. You're all legends. Nice one. Yo, Aaron, how's it going, bro? How are you, man? I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. Ready for another W on gold. Yesterday we took 20 ticks. Set another win. I need to upgrade the win percentage, the win rate, because we took another win on gold yesterday. It was lucky, to be fair, because the stop loss almost got taken, but it hit TP. That's what you have a stop loss for. That's what you have a stop loss for, I guess. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, let's get back above here. Even if this hourly gets back above, beautiful. Let's get this hourly back above here, and I'm definitely looking for them long. You know, nice closure. You've got like 40 ticks then. I'll probably try and hold it as long as I can. I don't think you're going to get a lot of problems when you get back above there. Alright. Sort of this level here. Yeah, this level here. Nice one for lights, guys. Smashing it. Let me check the comments really quickly. Took the morning gold trade. Went really well. Iron, nice. Good stuff, bro. Good work. Yeah, that push after the closure, this was just noise. This was noise and we was waiting. I know I said as soon as we get back above here in the community, we're going to long into this liquidity. That was the analysis in the market update for London session. Get back above this level, we're going to long into here, and that's exactly what it did. It got back above and it just flew over 100 ticks, so called out perfectly. I personally didn't get an execution, but it was there to execute if someone, you know, there was no bottom wick for me. But it is what it is. On to the next one. I took 2 wins yesterday. I'm not complaining that I've missed a push with no entry. There was no entry for me. I know, like I said, a few did get it, but for me it wasn't the case. So on to the next. People who are watching the live, please like the video. Show some love, guys. Yeah, Vinny, legend, mate. You heard Vinny, guys. Yeah, let's get... Oh, here we go, Goldie. Here you go, lad. Yeah, so let me just... So for the people who are just joining, let me just put an... buys above, one sec. Buys above. Okay. Put in that there, because that's the most likely to set up. So when people know I've got my levels, that's what... I'm looking for buys above here. Hi Joe in chat, welcome Dean, mate. Yeah, chat, welcome everybody who's in the chat. Dean, welcome back to another stream, mate. Beautiful. Did you guys, who caught yesterday's trade with me that long? Who caught it? If you caught it, drop a comment. Lovely 25 ticks for me. Patience pays, as always. There we go. It's better. It's better. There's a little... My desk was collapsing. My desk in this apartment were collapsing. It's all good now, though. Just sorted it out. But yeah, nice one for the likes, guys. Smashed 10 likes. It almost smashed 10 likes in 30 minutes again. Crazy. It's good for YouTube for me. Nice one. Appreciate the love, guys. 500 subscribers as well. If you've just joined and you've subscribed to the channel, appreciate you. 500 subscribers, crazy. Next, let's smash 1,000. It might take a little bit, a few months from here, but yeah, that'll be the next stop. Here we go. This 5 get back above this level, then we're clear. 4 hourly as well will be flipping back bullish. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait for this hourly. Yeah, I will not be buying, literally. If gold closes where it is now, I won't be buying here. What is going on with stop losses at the moment? I won't be buying here, because if you buy here, the only way you can actually enter it would be at this level. And what would happen it could reverse on you. So let's get that strong close above. Here we go. Guys, I'm just gonna nip and get a drink of water really quickly. Let me get some water and I'll be back in 30 seconds, okay? Give me 30 seconds, I'll be back. Five litres. I don't do 1 litres, I do 5. 5 only. Let's smash this session anyway, guys. Like I say, every day, an hour and a half to 2 hours live stream. If you've got any questions, make sure you drop a comment too. Make sure you feel free to drop a question if you have got any in the comments. I'll be happy to answer it. Yo guys, we've got 20 now, nice, 20. Yeah, not a closure for me just yet, unfortunately. But you have just top wicked at this level, so I'm not looking to buy yet. Gold hasn't created a bottom wick. You're likely to spike up, and wick down and respect this range, but we'll see. Look at that, instantly up anyway. I'm gonna catch this position. If it's not this 5. Also, if you've got any other pairs that you want me to, break down, let me know. I'll break them down, guys. Look at that. Look at that push, guys. Bang. 30 ticks instantly off that level. It's closed above. It's closed above and reacted, you know. Hasn't even closed above just. I would have needed a stronger close anyway. If I didn't have that stronger close, I wouldn't have been able to long because it's not my plan to enter at this level. My plan's to enter above it. Could you please check Cacao versus USD? Yeah, one sec, guys. 1 sec. Cacao versus USD. I've actually never. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've never known anybody to trade. Oh my god, what is this? Well, it's definitely ranging. Is it? I've never known anybody to trade this, to be fair. It's not even a tradable chart. It's like the worst price action ever. It's like a stable coin almost. Back to gold. Nah, I'm not gonna waste much time on cacao, mate. I'm gonna be honest with you. Ooh, Paul. What strat do what you using? I'm using levels and liquidity. I use level breakouts and closures, and I trade into and away from liquidity. That is my strategy. Just close 40 ticks, Paul. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Like I say, it depends where your level is. For me, I wanted to get back above here. If you have it a little bit lower, like so, you've got your long. For me, there's just no long. I'd have needed a bottom wick anyway, but if you just market executed, you've got 40 ticks there for sure. Yeah, it depends. If you market executing, you just, end of the day, you just got to say it's not valid. Just on to the next one. We'll get the next trade. Like, just wait for the confirmation. You know, I know. And something that most traders don't understand is they don't understand where they need to get into the market. They don't understand where they need to exit, okay? Where do I want to enter the market? For me, personally, it's above this level. And we wasn't above this level. Where do I want to enter? Above. So I'm going to be looking for confirmation longs into that liquidity. If it was above your level and you could enter, perfect. If not, all good. For me, it's not. But, for example, Paul has executed because it's above his level, maybe. Yeah, if you've got any questions, guys, feel free to drop a question too. It's a shame that it is a shame when it pushes with you. When it pushes without you, like so, it is a shame, but it's just not to the strategy. You can't market execute here. If you start market executing at this level, what could price do? Like for me, for me personally, it could reverse. If it gets back above, then yeah, you can long. I just went by candles, to be honest. Managed to push a great. Yeah, good stuff, Paul. If you've executed to your rules, then perfect. If you're executing with this overall volume, like look at gold, it has pushed. It took liquidity down here. 1 second. It took liquidity here, had a candle grab, and it's closing aggressively. Yeah, you're definitely going to see that pushing volume into this liquidity now. Like I say, it was a bit risky for me because you've got this level that you could reverse down and reacted from before continuing higher, but you know, if you're risking, you've got your stop loss, you know where you want to get in and where you want to get out, all good. I'm personally just looking for confirmation now. Ooh. But yeah, the volume was there for you. It were there for you, Paul. It was on your side, mate. And that's the thing. That's why it's so good trading with the volume on gold, because you can't really, if you've got a plan and your execution's right. If you're trading with the volume on gold, you're already in this. You've already got a step in the right direction. Like, look at this, bullish engulfing, green candle closed. You've got 40 ticks there. Lovely stuff. But gold's bullish. Don't get me wrong, gold is very bullish. I wouldn't really be looking for shorts until you did start closing with some volume. You know, like this. If we got this price action here, look. If we got this price action here, 2 15-minute bearish candles like so. If we got this price action where we are now and we started closing below here, then yeah, I'd execute shorts. But for now, look at what gold's showing. What is gold showing us? It's showing us that it's above key zones. For example, rejecting here and closing above here. Why would I start looking for sells? Okay? Ask yourself, what's gold showing you? React to what it's showing you. Right now, it's above this level. There's no way I'm going to start selling. It's so risky. Very low probability to start selling now. But yeah, big push on gold there. Especially from that look at that. Look at the reaction from that level. 2750. 100 ticks. 100 ticks. Smash the subscribers though. What are we at now? 503. Surpassed it. Yeah, if we confirm now, perfect. We just gotta wait. You know, he's gotta wait 5-10 minutes. Don't go anywhere. This liquidity is close. We've closed above this level. This liquidity is close. We're gonna run into this liquidity at some point. 5 minute could do this, and then we're good to go. Yeah, manage the push aggressively as well, Paul. Good stuff. Definitely needs to be managing that this trade aggressively for sure. Yeah, for sure. Right. Let me check that. Dun, 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 dun. Right, good. Yo, guys, if you're just joining the stream, I am looking for buys. I'm looking for buys into this liquidity here, okay? So if you have just joined, buys into here, okay? Is what I'm looking for. We've closed above this level. So gold has a very high chance of coming back into this level to continue higher into this liquidity above. Okay, so that is what I'm looking for. Just that anybody who's joined, like I say, I'm not looking to sell at all. Anybody who's looking for sales right now, ask yourself why. There's no need yet. Jack, what time frame are you looking for a close above the line on? We've actually got it. In the next 4 minutes. If we close in 4 minutes on this 15, we've got it. Okay. Like I say, the 15 didn't close above it just now. So if this 15 closes above, then yeah, I can start looking for confirmation. Okay. But yeah, like I said, my closure time frames, what I look for closures on is like the 15 and the 30. Okay. So if we get the closure above on the 15, 30 or hourly, then I'm safe to look for longs. Okay. For me, the closure is super important. Looking for 5 minute confirmation, yes. If we get that closure in 3-4 minutes. I did put in the Discord community that I'm looking for confirmation above this level, but it has to be a closure. Are we gonna close? That's the thing. Are we gonna close? We've got 3 minutes left here. Like I said, gold is gonna create this bottom wick. You know, anybody who was longing, you know, you need to be careful because gold could reject this level, bottom wick, and continue down. You gotta understand all possibilities here. Yeah, guys, I've got a video releasing hopefully tomorrow. It's like a 10-minute video, so stay tuned for that. Okay. 28 here, nice. If anyone's got any questions, please feel free to drop a question in the chat. any questions at all, trading related, analysis. If you want me to look at any pairs, let me know. Yeah, drop a subscribe. I go live every single day, an hour and a half to 2 hours per day. Yesterday we caught some beautiful longs live on stream. I think about 25 ticks in total, but it ran much further. All broken down, all analysed on here. No fake stuff. All the analysis, everything that I'm looking at is all shown before the move, before we catch the position. Yo, Matt, how's it going, bro? How's it going, mate? How's your day been? I've not taken any trades personally. How's yours been? Guys, anybody who wants the Discord community mentorship, learn the full strategy, get inside the Discord community, get inside the Discord community. Everything's there. I've put the link in the chat of the YouTube live if you do want to join. Like I say, you can sign up there. Here we go. I'm waiting for this 5 minutes to close. Let's get this 5 minute closure here. Yeah, like I was saying, in the Discord chat, you've got everything. Trading course. You've got the members chats, my contact. Everything that you need. All in video form. The free Telegram's free to view. Guys, if you want to join the free Telegram, Guys, the free Telegram here, all my links, all my updates, giveaways, etc. This is the free Telegram link. I've put the free Telegram link in the chat too. The Discord community, that'll take you to my website. That isn't free. That's where all my mentorship education is. And for the money that I charge, the Discord community is very worth it. Let me tell you that. You won't find good value like I offer. Haven't taken anything? Yeah, not me. Me too, bro. Me too, mate. I'm waiting. I'm looking for longs though now. Into these highs would be perfect. We had a beautiful move, and I think Paul, did you catch it too? You caught it. Community members caught this push up. I know like 2 or 3 caught it. You had like 100 ticks there on the first closure, which was great. And now we've closed above on the 15. I can start looking for confirmation buys, which is good. Either that or just wait for the hourly to close and enter on the next hourly. Or the next 30, depending on how it closes. Right, let's go. Sorry guys, just checking something. Yeah, this morning up 60 ticks, 70 ticks today. Nice. Good stuff, Paul, man. Great stuff. Keep it up, mate. No need to rush anything now, bro. Like I say, and I literally say this to the community all the time. Like, you take your ticks, take 1 or 2 wins, move on, just come back tomorrow. The market's going nowhere. You're gonna see these setups time and time again. It's just waiting for those setups, okay? It's the best thing that you can do. You know, risk half of what you half risk trades from now, Paul. Or just come back tomorrow. Get on with your day. Come back tomorrow. Trade for freedom too, guys. If you take a couple of wins, use that as like, come back tomorrow, take the rest of the day off. It's a great tool for freedom, is trading. And that's what the main purpose of me wanting to trade was. For that freedom. Okay? Good stuff. I'm waiting. Let me read now. Next 5 might be good, yeah. Oh, Matt, let's have a look at Matt. Actually, I tell a lie. I took the same as Paul. Completely forgot about it. Matt, nice one. If you're taking W's, bro. If you're taking wins, mate, all good. Sean, what are you? Oh, next 5 might be good. Sean, I'm waiting for some confirmation now above this level, or the 13 hourly closure for impulse entries. So really, the next thing that we can look for is either the next 30 in the next 10 minutes. Get that closure on the 30 and we can take longs then. What is it you've used to work out where to put the line? So Jack, or anybody who's wondering why I have my lines where I do, this is just where price could struggle to close above or below. It's recent support and resistance levels that gold reacts to very, very well. Look, resistance, support. So why would I buy if we don't get a closure above this level? Gold could come into this level and reverse. If you start looking for buys here, you're going to get stopped out. So for me, I use these levels as a confirmation that gold is ready to continue higher or lower. In this example here, continue higher. Okay? Yeah, let's see how this... What's this 5 saying? It's annoying. Instantly shot straight up. Yeah, just wait. I'll wait for this 15 to close. Could get some lovely entries here in a minute. Liquidity grab, strong closure, just long the next 15. It's all good for me. Yeah, so I'm probably going to wait for this 15 to close here, right? Wait for this 15 to close. Enter the next long. And you've still got a decent range. We've not taken this liquidity. And you've got like a 50 tick range there, which is perfect. Okay. Yeah, so eyes on this 15 for me. If you're not already, guys, drop a subscribe. Join the free Telegram. And get notified. And tune in every day, you know. I go live every single day. 2 different sessions, London and US. So tune in for either. Okay, let's go. Let's go, gold. You know you want to come into this liquidity. Guys, just getting my charger back in a second. Right, we're back. Third is interesting. Third is very interesting. If it closes back below, you've got half risk shorts. Something that's interesting as well for me, you've got like a bit of a head and shoulders forming, look. Shoulder, head, shoulder, continue down, neckline. Yeah, but I'm not shorting against this. I'm not shorting against overall bullishness on gold. Look at it. There's no way I'm shorting against this bullishness. So yeah. But let's see how this 30 closes. Could close very bearish and we can take some shorts. 6 minutes left anyway. Like I said, I took 2 wins yesterday. I'm in no rush. You know, I've taken 2 wins already this week. Well, 3 wins this week, actually. No need to push for more if the price action's not 100%. Are you using Top Step X also? How typo negative how equals? Are you using Top Step X also? Now, yes, I am. Yeah, I'm using Top Step X and I'm using, well, I will be bringing my MT5 account back. Personal. I'll be using MT5 too to execute personal. But that will be probably when I get to my setup in 3 weeks. I'll do that. Can't wait. Get back to my main setup. Like, I'm using my travel trading streaming. So if the thingy, guys, if the connection isn't 100% like it was 2 months ago, I apologize. But 3 weeks and we're back to normal. So stick with me. Drop a subscribe, and when I get to my home setup, all will be fine. Is what it is when you're traveling. Pros and cons to traveling, like I mentioned in the other stream. Traveling is beautiful, so good, the best thing that you can do, but the cons of it is, for example, Wi-Fi connection. Right, so what's gold is? Gold can give us something hourly. Oh my god, this is why it's so good to like expose yourself to both sides too, you know. You're looking for longs here at one point, you're looking for longs. If gold gets back below this level, you're looking for shorts down. That's the beauty of it. You know, so many people will be stuck in, you know, longs here only. They'll be stuck here holding these longs. And they'll see it close below this level and they'll still hold longs. And they're like, just short down. You know, you're in longs. Yeah, get out your longs and look for your shorts. Expose yourself to that risk. Bam, ba-dam. Right, guys, let's have a look. Let's reevaluate gold in a second. 30 is going to be closing in 3 minutes too. So let's see. Oh, as well, guys, make sure you're watching in 1080p too. If you're not watching in 1080p, you need to change your settings. You need to change the settings on the video to 1080p. If you're wondering why, just that's probably one of the reasons. Like, that's nothing to do with me. You need to change the settings on this video. So if you want the better quality, so you can see it better, you can change. You know, just tap the video, press settings, and change it to 1080p. Advanced setting 1080p, and it'll be perfect. I think most people will have that anyway, but for those who are wondering, yeah, that's nothing to do with my stream. That's or my video. Yeah, you need to change it on your side. Okay. Look at this hourly. Yeah, if this 30 closes like so, might take a little half risk trade here. Because I haven't taken a position today, and we have got some trendline liquidity to take. Rejecting that level nicely. Look at that trendline liquidity here. Bang. Yeah, we're probably going to come down into these lows. Fill this range. Fill this range here at least. How many ticks is it into them lows? Bang. 20 ticks, 25 ticks. Yeah, I'm gonna let's have a look how this 30 closes and the new, if the new one opens nicely, yeah, I'll just take it down. Instantly down. If it just continues to push, I'll just sell below 27.51 here. Okay. Doesn't really bother me if it does continue to push. Look at that. Bang. Big rejection there. I would expect it to continue lower though, if it does re-break now. But how many ticks was that stop? Not bad. You're probably going to see these prior hit 30-minute lows taken before it does anything. Let's see what this top wick does anyway. I might take a half risk sell here if we reflip bearish into them lows. We've got clear liquidity. We're taking... Yeah, I'm going to take a half risk sell. I'm going to use a half risk sell on the low. On the break of this low, I'll take sells. And I'm going to overall target, you know, first targets will be, you know, 15 ticks. And I'm going to try and run it down into these lows if it does want to flip, just based off this 30. Yeah, I'm not risking much here, guys. I'm risking maybe negative 5 or 6 ticks in total. Not much. But yeah, I've got a sell stop on this. I'm only risking half, like, no, 30% of my normal risk. Within this range, guys, it is choppy. This red bearish candle taking liquidity is just very, very clean. Rejecting the level. It's a valid half risk trade. You know, you're rejecting the level. When we was above this level, there was no way that I was longing, going short. But now we've closed back above this, rejecting taking liquidity. You've got a good chance of coming into the liquidity below. And this is a valid half risk trade that I teach in the community. This is a valid half risk entry that I do teach. So I'm going to execute this, maybe use 5 macros for a bit of, like I said, less than half risk here for me. See if it flips down. Like I say, it is on the low. I'll tell you when it executes me in. I'm not in yet on the futures. Once I'm in on the futures, I'll let you know. But like I say, it's like negative 5 ticks in total. Yeah, when this flips down and breaks through the low, like for example here, when it breaks through the low, bearish, then I'll be executed in this. Okay. Just have your, if you are taking sell stops and buy stops, just have it like 1 tick below, just to counter the difference. Right, there we go. I'm in this short from about here. Stops loss above these highs for about 15 ticks. And as soon as we start pressing lower into these lows, I will be going break even and managing. But I'm risking about, let me see on my top step really quickly how much I'm risking. Yeah, I'm only risking -5 ticks here. You know, I made 25 ticks yesterday live on stream. I'm only risking 5 ticks. So I'm using 1/5. I'm using 1/5 of the risk that I gained yesterday live. So we'll see. Should push. If it doesn't, we'll reevaluate. But like I said, we are within this range, guys. It could get choppy within this range. So like I say, we'll see. See how what the five's saying. Yeah, the five's not doing much either. If it does reject here, and continue higher, I'll just wait for the range closure because I don't want to keep getting chopped up. I'm going to try it once. I'm using very low risk, as mentioned. I'm using very low risk, as mentioned, guys. So we'll see. I'm going to see how this 5 closes. If this 5 closes like so, I'm just going to cut the trade. If it closes like so, this 5, I'll just cut here, okay? We'll see. We've got 19 seconds. It is running in like 5 ticks profit. It is a 15 entry, to be fair. We'll see. Right, nice. See how this new 5 opens. Once we pass the 5-minute low, I will just go, yeah, right, I'm going break even here, guys. I'm going to manage aggressively within this range. We're running about 10 ticks in profit on futures. So I am break even. Yeah, I'm break even on this because... Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful push there on gold. Right, I'm definitely break even managing now. And we're in this. I'm not taking partials because it's only a 5 micros. But we could see this continue down here. Probably your internet, Sean. Restart the live. Restart the live, bro. Beautiful half risk entry there. Beautiful half risk entry. Running break even there. Running break even. Whatever it does, it does. Got stopped out, me. I had... Claw's got some profit now, y'all. I'm out break even now. Yeah, I've just been hit break even. I only had 5 macros, so it only ran... yeah, I'm out break even on this. It was worth the shot. I had my stop loss 3 ticks above. I had my stop loss 3 ticks above this wick on futures. So I was very clear. Like I think I was like 3 or 4 ticks clear in the end. Claw's got some profit. Good stuff, y'all. I'm out break even. Didn't see much profit, to be fair. But was worth the shot. It was worth the entry. Like I say, I've got my stops above here. My stops above here. You don't have to have your stop above here. You can have it higher if you want. If you want to give it a bit more room, add 10, 15 ticks on if you really want. I've got good spreads and I know exactly where I want to get out. So for me, having it on this high is fine. The next entry for me will be on this next 15. If this 15 closes below here, I'll have some more entries for shorts. So I'm waiting on this 15 now. I'm personally out of this break even, but it is what it is. I had very, very little risk on this, so it's not bothering me at all. Close some good profit. Yeah, good stuff, yo, man. Let me check the internet. No, internet's good for me though, Sean. Yeah, just reset, close the YouTube down, and come back onto my account and reset it. But yeah, beautiful. It's running like mad now. You have to be managing. The problem is with this trade, as it went to break even, as soon as you come into this low, you have to be managing. You have to. You know, you've come in. It could easily reverse higher. It's just a shame what it has done. Did get you at break even. It is what it is. Big 30 wick rejection, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for 6 minutes and wait for this to close. Close is bearish. I'll just enter the next. Yeah, I'll just enter the next. If it did stop you out, I can't really do. I don't know what to say. For me, it didn't, but is what it is. Just on to the next one, isn't it? Move on to the next one. It's flying down now. Yeah, I didn't share this in the community for my entry because it was a half risk entry. This was just a little entry for me. Half risk. Not much risk on the table, like -5 ticks in total. It is what it is, like. I never use, like, my full risk at the moment is like 15 contracts. I never use more than 7. I use like 5 for this one. But yeah, break even here. Break even. You have to be going break even here. If you're in this position, you have to be going break even. You can't not. You're taking liquidity here, look. You're taking this liquidity low. You know, when you take this liquidity low, you could reject and continue higher. And it's hit your break even about 17 times in this trade. Look, once, now it's 2 times. But yeah, break even for me. Good stuff if you caught some ticks though. Guys, if you haven't already, smash a like on this video. Smash a like. Get to 20. If you've just joined, subscribe, like, and make sure you tune in every single day to the live sessions, okay? Right, that's done. We're out break even. On to the next one, guys, okay? Good work. I'm just going to alter my range a little bit. I want a closure below this rejection here. I want a closure below this rejection now. Okay? So let's wait for that closure below for themselves. Buys back above here for now. Zoom out. Nice one. To be fair, I didn't really have time to post it in the group. Flipped quite quickly there, but it was worth the shot. You know, it was worth the shot for 5 micros from the entry down. 5 micros. I know it's 80 ticks there. You've got, what's that? 80 ticks, $400, and it ran like $100. It was definitely worth it. And obviously you've got the, on YouTube as well, you've got like a 10-15 second delay. That in itself, you need to be using maybe double my stop loss. Just to make sure, you need to be using double my stop loss at least. But like I say, you shouldn't be entering my positions anyway. This is all entertainment. This is all for entertainment and educational purposes only. Oh, Goldie. Guys, drop a comment. How is the stream connection for you? Is it all clear? Let me know. Just put a thumbs up. Yes, all good. Let me know. Has it been good for you recently on the stream for the full time you've been on? Let me know, guys. Like I say, in about 2 to 3 weeks, the streams will be crisp again. Like I say, I'm currently traveling in Vietnam, so I'm using my travel gear for now. But it's good for what I need. If you can see my charts and it's clear enough, all good. But once I get back to my setup, all good. Dean, 100% Joe, all good. Yep, sweet Dean. Yeah, it's just like I say, sometimes Vietnam connect Wi-Fi It's good, but it's unstable sometimes. Like, you maybe get like one time in the stream or two times in the stream, touch wood, that it'll cut out for 5-10 seconds, but it's something I have to deal with until I leave in 3 weeks. Well, how many? 20 days. So, but as soon as I get home, there'll be no problems. Was a bit choppy, but it's good now. Yeah, sound guys. Sorry if it does cut out a little bit. Yeah, 15's grabbing liquidity. I'm not taking any more half risk trades in here. I've tried one. Half risk trades, for people, I personally don't take many of them because, I'm funded about almost 500k. I just take full risk entries, but half risk entries are there for those who only have, 1 to 2 hours on the charts. And if you can only have like maybe 1 hour per day on the charts, then half risk entries are great to actually catch some moves. Like, even if you just was on for an hour in the US session, there's like 25 ticks there for you. So that's why half risk are there. I personally don't take any that often, maybe like 1 or 2 per month, and you've just seen me take one then. When do I plan to visit London? Probably soon, I will probably go to London for a couple of days. When I get back, maybe within the first 2 months of me being home. I won't be home for long. I'll be in the UK for maybe 3 months max. 3 months max, and then after that, I'll probably go... Maybe... I don't know yet. I don't want to stay for too long, though. I'll stay for 3 months, maybe. Stay for maybe the first... What will it be? It'll be February. I don't know, guys. I don't really have plans on where I'm going to be. But yeah, I will be needing to visit London anyway to sort a visa out. So I need to go to a visa office. So I will be there. London's good, especially for the day. For those who were in the community 5 months ago, I went to London to sort a visa out. Then. What's gold wanting to do? He's got no direction, really. Yeah, clean level, clean range here on gold now. Yeah, smash subscribers though, guys. 500. Appreciate everybody. Seriously, not only just 500, we've smashed over 505. Appreciate you all. And if we can catch a trade today, even better. Even better. Alright, good. Sorry guys, I was just sending a message. Bam, bam, bam. But yeah, London's cool. I like London. I've only been a couple of times. But yeah, it's good. I don't know where to go next though. When I go home for 2 or 3 months, I'll decide where I'll go. But I'll be taking my setup wherever I do go. I'll probably get like a decent villa or something next time. Next time I go traveling, whether it's Bali or Possibly Bali. I'll just get a villa. I'll just get a villa and take my setup with me. So I'm not just using a travel setup. Obviously, especially if I'm streaming every day, I'll just go to Bali. Stream there, have a setup, have a villa. But we'll see. I said that I was gonna go traveling like 2 months after I got home from Thailand, and it was like 6 months, so it might be longer. We'll see. Yeah, gold rejecting this level as mentioned, and that's why it's the management point. Let me just show you this. That's why it's the management point, because you're taking shorts here. Yeah, it's valid for half risk shorts, but what can happen at these lows? Gold can reverse like we're seeing now. It can take the lows and reverse higher. For example, like so. So why would I risk holding any longer than these lows? No, reduce to break even. If it continues to fly down into these lows, perfect. Just make sure you're managing at that first low. Bali vlog. Yeah, I've got video coming tomorrow, guys. Yeah, I've got a video coming tomorrow. So wait for that. I'll post that in the free Telegram when it's up. Alright. But I'm just going to see how gold closes on this hourly, to be honest. The next entry for me is only the hourly. If the hourly closes below this level here. If the hourly closes below here, I'll take shorts. Okay. That's the only entry really that looks like it could set up. It sells below 27.51. So this hourly will need to close below here and push down another like 40 ticks. If it does, yeah, I'll look for sells to try and take sells down. Because for me to buy, I'd need to get back above here for now, because that's the structure that we're working with. I can't buy until we get back above here, because that's the structure that I need to buy above. So the closest thing to setting up is sells, and it will be if this hourly can close bearish below 27.51. So eyes are on this hourly for now, or if this 30 gets back above this level, then I can long, but we'll see. We will see. Yo, Saf, how's it going, bro? How are you, Saf? Where are you? Where are you now? Can't keep up with where you are. Waiting for us, yeah, waiting. Just waiting game now. This is the range. Let me zoom out so you can see it clearly. There you go. Buys above, sells below. I'm just gonna wait for this hourly. Let's see what this hourly does. Once this hourly closes, it will give me a sense of direction. It will give us a sense of direction, should I say? But if this, yeah, this hourly is the, it's also the, yeah, the 4-hour close too. So this is a big closure coming up in 8 minutes. Just hang fire. Hang fire for this closure. Yeah, back above here. Sup, Joe? Dan, how's it going, mate? How are you, bro? How's your day been? I'm good, thanks. But yeah, buys, definitely buys above here. First targets are great, 45 ticks. And then closes back below 27.50 area. You've got sells down to actually break some of this structure to the downside finally. Gold's just been up since the start of the week, you know, trending up, bang. Look, like so. Can it come and break some of this structure? And you could have a decent runner there for then a continuation higher. But it's just waiting. Let price do what it needs to do. React to what it shows you. I said that shorts look most likely to set up. Now it's buys. I'd like it. If this 30 gets above here, perfect. Saf in Madrid. Good stuff, man. Enjoy. How is it? How's Madrid, mate? Yeah, how's Madrid? I tell you what, somewhere I want to go is Barcelona. I'll probably go to Barcelona soon, actually. That's somewhere I want to go. Maybe just for the weekend, not in the way of my trading and my streaming. When I get home, I'll probably have the weekend in Barcelona. Oh, going to the game tonight, then leaving. Nice. Beautiful. Good stuff. Good. Very good. So living the dream, Saf. Travel trading. Living the dream, man. Keep smashing it. I love it when I see community members travel trading to exactly what I did. So good. In on buys on the 15-minute doji. Yeah, you can. It is, but for me, it's not confirmed. You know, this could chop. This could chop a lot in here. It's only confirmed above 27.58. But if you got that early buy, nice. I actually took sells here, and I got taken out break even. I went break even as it took these lows. But yeah, it could fly from here. To be fair, gold's bullish. You're already one step ahead when you start looking for buys. Barcelona's an amazing place. I would live there. So much better than the UK, really. Yeah, my parents have been. I want to go. It looks stunning. I'm currently in Asia, but I've done most of Asia. I'll be home in 3 weeks. Back in the UK in 3 weeks for me. Guys, what's the weather like in the UK right now? Make me stay here. Tell me what it's like and make me stay. Lisbon on Friday. So good, man. Enjoy it, Saf, bro. Seriously, enjoy it. Quick sell where you took it and buys already in at break even. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, you took it at the doji here. Nice. I personally, I'm not trading within this range, but if it's to your plan, Dan, good stuff. The weather's not good, yeah, Dan. Nah, no. I'm not looking forward to it, but it's time to come home. Not seen the sun since New Year. Wow. Yeah, shocking. It'll get better soon though, I think. I hope. It is what it is. It is what it is. I need to my visa ends here. My visa ends here when I'm leaving. Literally the day I leave, my visa ends, so I'm going to Thailand for like 4 days. And then home. Cold here in the UK and cloudy every day. I'll probably stay for like 2 days then and then leave again. I've booked my flight, so I need to come. Okay, good stuff. 3 minutes. Lock in here. Lock in. There could be buys if we get above here. Get above this zone, there could be some quick buys. But with the way gold's pushing now, if the way gold's pushing now, I wouldn't be surprised if we just instantly shot up. But lock in. We could be on for some buys here. Yeah, Aaron. I've heard it's cold, bro. Yeah, we'll get them 2 good weeks probably in July, yeah. It literally is 2 weeks, isn't it? And then it's done. Everyone gets so happy. Even me. You get happy, you see it, and then you're like... just... And it lasts like 2 days. But yeah, lock in here. Longs into these highs would be nice. Even if it closes here, you've still got 40 ticks into them highs, which is definitely worthwhile. And the H4's opening, but I wouldn't be surprised if the H4 just shot instantly up into this liquidity. It really wouldn't surprise me. Because what the H4 will need to do, the new H4 will need to come and take liquidity if it's going to continue down. It's most likely to. So, Let's wait. We've got 2 minutes to wait here. Could get choppy in this range too, though, so hang fire. Stay patient. I'm getting ready to get an order, and if it progresses any further. How many ticks is this actual candle from the rejection down? 70 ticks. Beast. You got a minute to get a good closure here on gold. You've got a minute to get a decent closure here. The only problem I'm not buying until we get above here is because look at it before. Do you really want to start buying and price does this? No. Or this? Not really. But we could get above yet. It's not got much time, but it is what it is. I follow the plan, follow the strategy, and every day we show up and do the same things. You know, if it just doesn't close above, then it just isn't to be. It'll save you in the long run. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to get above yet. Doesn't matter, just wait for the next 15. Wait for the next 15 to get above. All good. Gold could definitely reject and go lower on this at this level, should I say. So it doesn't bother me waiting. I'm just going to update community really quickly with the levels. But the H4 has just opened to the 4 hourly. Signed up for Top Step yesterday. So far impressive with their order and no spreads. Yeah. Contract a bit weird. The platform is a bit shocking, especially coming from C-Trader. I think the platform is really good. The difference is they've made it as easy as it can be. Dan, if you executed futures, not on, for example, on TradingView, not with Top Step X or any of the futures prop firm platforms, if you tried to execute futures, you'd find it even worse. They've made the futures execution as easy as it can be. So yeah. And I find the platform great. Like, you can see so many things, like how many people are buying, how many people are selling. I think it's very good, especially with some of the futures, platforms I've seen. I think they're one of the best for the futures anyway. Yeah, and guys, look, exactly the main reason why I'm not buying here. Anybody who's buying at this level, look, bang, they're in drawdown. I want to reduce as much of this drawdown as I can, and that's why I'm not buying here. Look, resistance, support, acting as resistance. It could continue down, and we're preventing that risk of that. Wait for the closure above. We can just enter the next 15 above, or I can enter the next 15 above. Let me check comments really quickly, guys. So even if it doesn't push past the level, if the next candle closes above, would it be valid? Yeah, it's not above for me, y'all. If it closes within, for me, a strong close, it needs to be like so. Like, this is a strong enough close, like here. What we have now, we haven't closed above it at all. You know, look, still below, rejecting, continuing down. Great analysis. Great analysis. Look at that. I said potential to reverse, and that's exactly what we're doing. That's last 3-4 hour candles short the indecision. Yeah, look at the 4 hour indecisions. Yeah, you're right there, mate. You're right there. If this next 15 gets above, I'm very happy to set longs. Very happy. Just need to wait for the 15 clause. If the 15 clause is above this level, you've got clearance higher. So you just need to wait 10 minutes, sit on your hands and react when it closes. I'm in, shall I hold? Dan, I'm not going to tell you what to do, bro. I'm not. I can't advise on what to do. I can just show you what I'm doing here on my screen. But yeah, back above there is clean for longs, I'll tell you that. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to stay on for this next 15 clause. If the 15 doesn't get above, and if it closes bearish without getting above this level, I'm going to stay active in the Discord community. I've been on for almost 2 hours now. And the next entry for me is either a closure above here or a closure below here. We need to wait for this 15 to close. We've got 10 minutes, so stay tuned for 10 minutes. Entries could be on this 15, on this next 15 closure. We just need to wait. Stay patient, and it will come. Let me check community really quickly. Gold, like I say, gold could continue higher. Yeah, I'm not saying it's not going to continue higher. What I'm saying is it could struggle at this level at 27.58, as I mentioned before, look. And look what it's doing, reacting away from this level. Once it gets above, you've got a higher probability chance of it coming into these highs here. And I'm all about probabilities and high probability entries, and that's what I'm looking for. You've also got trendline liquidity here too. Trendline liquidity coming in. So if you get that push above, you could see that trendline liquidity smashed. But yeah, let's see how this 15 wants to close, guys. Right, good stuff. Good stuff. That's why we stay patient, guys. That's why we wait for closes. Key. It's key. Look at that. No closure above. You can see how clear the no closure is. Very clearly not closed above this level. In fact, it's reacted from it perfectly and continued down. Anybody in longs too early, here have been stopped out of this trade. And they don't understand why they've been stopped out, and it's because, look, gold's at a big level. Look at that big level. There's no way we're going to be looking to go long at this level because it could reverse like it's done now and taken you out. But yeah, let's wait for this now, guys. We've got 6 minutes. If we close within this range, I'll wrap it up here. I'll wrap up the YouTube live here, and I'll just stay active in the community. But we'll see. We could close above, and then I could be on for longs with you. But I've been on for about almost 2 hours now. Been on for almost 2 hours, so I'm gonna get back in the community and take some trades with the community. So we'll wrap it up if we don't close above this range. If this 15 doesn't close above here, I'll give you my analysis for the rest of the day, and see you all tomorrow. But we'll see. Like I say, we've got 5 minutes here. Could definitely get above in 5 minutes. Super clean range on the 32. Super clean. I still think we are bullish today. Yeah, Aaron. Obvious. You can see gold. We're bullish on gold. And the only way I'd sell gold if we was looking like we were gonna pull back some, like closes below here. That's the only way, and it's quite a bit away. You know, you've got like another 80 ticks until we can even start looking for shorts. But yeah, for me, back above here, I'm gonna look for them further longs. I can't really do anything until we get back above here. Not until we can get back above here. If the 30 or 15 closes above, then I'll long. But for now, we're just sitting on our hands. You know, not trading is trading. Just remember that, okay? But I agree. I agree. Gold's bullish. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Right, let's see. We've got 3 minutes until this 15 closure here. Are we going to stay within this range? Or are we going to break out? Let's see. Guys, back in 2 minutes. Just nip into the toilet. Ah. Ah. Right, good. Muted. Talking to myself. Sorry. Pathetic. I am pathetic. Sorry about that, guys. I was saying, if this flips now from here, if this next 15 flips down, you're probably going to see this range fill to the downside. You know, you've got 30 ticks there. But I'm not taking any more entries within this range. You know, it's getting quite choppy in here, look. Look, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. The last 30-minute candles have been opposites, complete opposites. So, yeah, I'm personally going to wait until we get a closure. Either above or below. Yeah. I was talking to myself for like 30 seconds then. Let's see. Guys, I'm going to stay on. Just see how this 30 closes. I'm just going to give it a little bit extra time. I'll stay on for this next 12 minutes. See how this 30 closes. If anyone's got any questions, please feel free to drop a question in. We'll stay active for another 15 minutes. 12 minutes, sorry, and then I'll head off. If it chops, I'll just stay active in the community, guys, okay? Not much volume right now, though. Let's see. Yeah, this flips down. You've got into them lows like 30 ticks, which is decent. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, it'll be... These stop losses are really annoying. Yeah, these stop losses are really annoying. What is going on with stop losses? It's absolutely crazy at the moment. It's nothing to do with having it preset to. I've seen it happen to a few people. I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I'm just marking it up just to see if it does flip. But if it does flip, you should see some more downside. I'm personally not entering, though. I wouldn't tell anybody to enter this position. It's just observation. You know, you've got like an 18 tick stop, 30 tick gain there. But like I say, it could get choppy in here. It really could get choppy in here, so don't expect much. Don't expect much in here. It could chop. We just got to wait and react to it. Look at that, flying down. Got a decent stop loss there too. Look at that. You know, I'd even think about getting out there. 30 ticks there. That's if it wants to push. And then you've got runners all the way down into these lows, you know, 80 ticks there, just based off a half risk 15. And this is what I mean. This is why I've got the half risk entry for the Discord community, because Yeah, I really only like to take full risk entries, but if you can only trade for a couple of hours in the day, you've got 2 entries there, even 3 entries. You know, you're like 3 entries in like an hour, and you could have profited at least something from them. Are you waiting for it to close above 27.58? Yeah, Sean, if we get a closure above 27.58, I'm going to look for longs. That was just a drop. I'm not in this, by the way. And if we get back below here, I'm looking for some shorts. But I need to get back below 27.51, okay? Alright. I had this marked up for some half risk. Gold's pushing. Yeah, this 30 should give direction. This next 30 should give direction. We'll see though. What's the 4 hourly looking like? Take some 4 hourly lows. Yeah. It's getting a bit messy in here, to be honest with you. You know, we had a couple of clean moves, but look, it's been messy here and here. Yeah, let's see how this 30 closes, guys. That's the next step for me, looking at this 30 close. We've got 6 minutes until closure. Let's see what gold wants to do in this next 6 minutes. If it stays within this range, that'll be me done, okay? Sean, what are the two marked lines off, bro? Sean, the reasons for my lines are for buys and sells below. Like, this level here is a support and resistance level where price has reacted from, look, as resistance before. And if I'm looking to long, I'm not going to long until we get back above there because price could come into it and reverse down. So this level is to prevent me getting trapped within this range. And look, anybody longing within this range has been absolutely chopped about left, right, and center. Look at this, pure range. And I prevented that from having my levels, okay? And that's something I teach in the community, guys. If you do want to learn the full strategy, just join the community. Give it a go. Learn the full strategy and system, and you'll learn everything that I'm doing here. But just look at the 30, look, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, like, very choppy. I'm just giving it this next 5 minutes. If it wants to break out in 5 minutes, then that's great, we'll take entry, but if it doesn't break out in this next 5 minutes, I'll call it quits, and I'll come back for the next stream, which will be tomorrow, guys. I'll be streaming tomorrow. Where do we find Discord community? You can join the Discord community here. Guys, if you want to join the Discord community, I'm linking it in the chat now. I've just put it twice in the chat so you can join there. Yeah, I've just linked it now. Let's see, guys. 3 minutes, 4 minutes here. Yeah, for anybody who's interested in what you get the full strategy. You get all the members charts. You get the members Zoom calls, my contacts, everything that you need to learn the full strategy. You get a group where you can share ideas too. There's so much in the community, guys. But yeah, let's get it. We've got 2 minutes here. Let me see how this 15:30 closes, and then we'll go from there. Think I'm going to be ending the stream soon, and I'll be in the Discord community as soon as the stream ends to update. But there's not much to update on. It's still within this range for now. If you have caught some W's, I know a few in the community have. It's been quite choppy. You know, range. It has been. There's only been a couple of decent pushes in our sessions, but if you have caught a couple of wins, just come back tomorrow. But yeah, we've got a minute to wait, yeah. It doesn't look like we're gonna get that closure above. Let's wait here for this closure. 1 minute here. Right, yeah, I don't think we're gonna get this closure, guys. No problem. No problem, we just wait. Mosquito bites my leg. Yeah, we're not closing out here, guys. I'm going to just, guys, community guys, I'll be in the community active. If I see any positions, I will post them. Or if I see anything setting up, I will post it in the Discord community, okay? YouTube, anybody who's not in the community, what I'm waiting for on gold now, until the end of the day, I'll be looking for buys back above here. Back above 27.58 for buys. And if I'm looking to sell gold today, it will be below 27.50. It's getting quite rangy now within between these two levels. So I'll only be looking for closures. If we get closures above, I'll buy. If we get closes below, I'll sell into liquidity above and below market. Because we have got some clean lows and highs. We have got some clean lows and highs that do need taking. So I'm just going to sit on my hands, stay patient, and wait for the closes. And if anything does progress, I will post it in the Discord community, okay? So yeah, I have set alerts and will want a strong breakout. This is a lot of chop. Yeah, 100% Ron. 100% mate. I'm going to personally set some alerts. I'm going to set an alert too above here and below here. Wait for the closure and trade with that volume. But yeah, Discord, I'm gonna update you soon. I'll stay active in the chats, and YouTube guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, see you all tomorrow, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, 500 subscribers, guys, smashing it. I appreciate everybody, I really, really do. But yeah, catch you tomorrow. Let's see out the day strong, okay? See out the day strong. Okay, guys. I'm gonna head off in a bit. Peace.